How's it going, guys? Now we're gonna make the homemade slaw. Nice and fresh, best to make it and eat it on the same day, and you can add it to so many different dishes. It accompanies everything lovely. All we're gonna need for this, nice fresh ingredients, some white cabbage, red cabbage, squeeze a lemon, couple of carrots, and then a few little things like the apple cider vinegar, a little bit of oil, some mayo, Dijon mustard, then we'll salt and pepper to taste. We're just gonna literally shred the cabbage, grate the carrot, put all the other ingredients in, mix it in the bowl, good to go. So with the grating of the carrot, I like to use the kind of larger holes. Otherwise, if it's too small, you're not getting a nice bite of carrot in every part of the slaw. So now we're going to chuck all the carrot in there. So now we're going to shred the 2 cabbage. So you just want to roughly shred this. There's no exact science here. Coleslaw. So now I'm going to shred the red cabbage. We're only going to want to use a quarter of this one. You can wrap the remainder up and save it. And we're just going to finally shred this one exactly the same. Using the 2 different cabbages gives a nice contrasting colour as well. So now that's the cabbage and the grated carrot into the bowl there. We're just going to give these a good mix with all the other ingredients and we're ready to serve. So I'm going to mix these first, just break them up nicely. Some of them chunky white cabbage leaves, I'm just going to break them up. You can see there, as they're mixing against everything else, they're breaking up into smaller pieces. Because it's your homemade slaw as well, and not packet bought, you can just add more of your favourite stuff or less. Totally up to you, make it your own. Looking at the size of that, I'm going to go 4 tablespoons. I'm going to go 3 tablespoons of mayo. So now we're going to go in with some apple cider vinegar. You want roughly 2 tablespoons of this. You want to get the stuff as well, or I always do. It says with the mother, the raw and unpasteurised, much healthier. So a nice little splash of that, roughly 2 tablespoons. That gives it a nice sharpness as well. A little squeeze of lemon. Put your hands over it to catch the seeds. A tablespoon of Dijon mustard. This makes all the difference with the flavour. A little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And then that's it, simple as that. We're going to get in and just mix it all straight up. Okay, so now skewers are out. We're just going to rest them on the plate like that. You can eat this many different ways, with a pita, with some rice, which we're just going to serve it with the homemade slaw we made. Just as much or as little as you want with that there. Lovely, everything's completely fresh. A quarter of the price, maybe more, of what you'd pay. A takeaway for that, and just simply serve it like that.